Hi everybody, just a short video this morning on the restoration of the mirror ball at South Promenade. So as we drove along South Promenade this morning, they'd actually got the crane up taking the top off it. So you'll find that on our other video about the hotels at New South Promenade. So we're more or less opposite the Solaris Centre. And as you can see, the mirror ball is topless. Shut your eyes if you're of a sensitive disposition, it's topless. And you can also see as well that the tiles are a little bit worse for wear. You can see there's a lot that are rusty, dropped off, etc. So the team from the illuminations department are taking it down. They're going to take it back to the depot at Lightworks. They're going to refurbish any of the moving parts that need attending to, and they're going to retile it. And I think there are 47,000 little glass tiles, and they're all going to be removed, cleaned, replaced if necessary, and then stuck back on. So you wouldn't want that job, would you? That's going to be some epic. And just imagine how many tiles, tubes of tile adhesive they'll use. Just a few, I would have thought. So these guys look like they're getting ready for taking the next bit down. And the top of it is round the other side, so I'm just going to walk around here and I'll show you the top slice of the mirror ball. It was installed in 2001 and designed by an artist called Michael Trainer, and it's called They Shoot Horses, Don't They? And I didn't know until recently. I often wondered why he called it that, but apparently it was called after the film of the same name, which featured a mirror ball. So now you know. And here's the top. Oh goodness, you can see on this side, look, it's got some poly areas. And normally when it's working properly, it spins, so it catches the light, and it is lovely, it is pretty. Last time they refurbished it and put it back up, it looked lovely. This guy's measuring how big it is. Nice. You can see that there's water gone underneath the mirror tiles, and they've rusted from the back, haven't they? Huh. Amazing. Be lovely that when it's finished. That's what I always say to my husband when he's doing DIY. Be nice when it's finished. So that's just a short update. It's going to take about 6 months apparently. And it's going to be done by the Blackpool Illuminations team and students from Blackpool and the FYLDE College. So we will update you on its progress at a later date. So make sure that you've subscribed to the Visit FYLDE Coast YouTube channel and you've hit that little bell for notifications, and then when we do updates, you'll know. You take care now. Bye.